Hello, mga amigo-amiga. Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel, Althea Francheska, ang inyong amiga. You already seen me sanitize the package that I received a while ago because I purchased this item overseas from China. So it's better to be safe, right? Obviously, for this video, we're gonna be unboxing this Sanyk mobile phone stabilizer gimbal anti-shake handheld vlogging. Vlogger kate. So without further ado, we will now begin the unboxing because I'm very excited. Because ever since, like before starting or when I'm still like doing my channel, I really wanted to have this kind of vlogging equipment. But then I don't have the budget. This month, medyo nagkaluwag-luwag. I said to myself, why not? Because since I'm already doing this vlogging stuff, I have my own YouTube channel, so why not purchase it? Because I'm gonna be using this like for a very long time because there's no budget yet to purchase those higher or upgraded equipment for vlogging. So this is the cheapest vlogging equipment that I've seen online, particularly on Shopee. And I also got this free shopping voucher, so I didn't pay for the shipping fee. So this is really it. We're gonna start unboxing it. So as you can see, this is the box, still sealed.
Oh my God!
So for those who haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please guys, subscribe. To tell you honestly, there are a lot of unsubscriber who watches more my videos than those who are my subscribers. I don't know why, but thanks to them. This is the laman. Oh my gosh. Oh, love letter. Love letter from Sanyk. My dear friend, first of all, please accept our most sincere appreciation. In this vast world, good products are gold bonds. Even we are in different places, even we have different religions, we'll still make friends with each other. If you have any issues with the product, please do not hastily give bad reviews. If you like your products, please kindly give us a good review and publish product videos. That's the other reason why I really need to purchase another tripod, because my current tripod is really in bad shape. If you saw my journey in getting the vaccine, my cell phone also fall during that time. This is really very good. This is right time to purchase a new one that will surely won't give me headache. I'm pretty sure that my phone won't fall. So I've done reading the love letter from the Sanyk. Thank you. Next one is this LED light. Naka-bubble wrap pa rin siya. It has the manual. Oh my gosh, the manual is in Chinese. Oh, thankfully the manual has English. So I'm gonna read you later. Here is LED fill light. They say that you can adjust this here if low or high. The battery that you need is the AA, which I already have the rechargeable batteries. So we're gonna check this later. Next one is the video microphone. So we have here the microphone cable, and here is the sponge windshield. Tanggal man ito siya, no? So this is your microphone. Hello, mic test. So I'm gonna try this later. Another microphone cable. Then this one, we call this, I really need to check the names of what are inside the box so that I will be right. We call this wrapped fur windshield. Since di man ta makapalit og katong boya na microphone kay medyo mahal, so kanina lang sa siya, no? Cute. Pwede pang blush on. Blush on. can use the two. But I'm gonna show you this later, okay? We really need to check everything before trying it so that, you know, in case it won't work out later. Hopefully it will work out later. Fingers crossed. Then next is the tripod and the cell phone holder. So naka-bubble wrap pa rin siya so that it will be safe. Very safe. Kaya nagdugay man kog abri. Nagkalisod kog abri. There you go. I really need this like this to exert force. Another force. So this is the handheld tripod. So this is how you're going to, like that. You're gonna split them out together so that they're gonna look like this. Like that. Mag-stand yan siya. Ganyan. Amazing. I'm gonna try this later. Put them all together later. Next is the 360 mobile phone holder. So, pwede niya siya mag 360.
Oh my God! Wow!
Lig-on. So, I'm gonna try this. Another, we have here the connect hat shoe. Then, another screw. Meron siyang free na remote. Since ako lang mag-isa, there is no one who's gonna like shoot video for me. So, this is very helpful. This is very helpful. Like you see, nahulog na naman siya. Meron lang siyang sling na libre. Sanyk Excellence Quality. Thank you, Sanyk. I put them all together. They will transform into the tripod that I've been wishing ever since the day I started vlogging. So, hopefully, they're going to fit my phone. We will install them together so that they will be as one. The tripod. So, ganyan lang daw siya. Ganyan, paharap. Then, you will screw it like this. Like that. That. Make sure mahigpit siya. Ganun. Ang microphone and ang flash. Put them together. Yan siya. Then, screw mo lang yan siya. Connect hat shoe. I-connect natin siya dito. Ganyan. Ito siya. I-connect. Ganyan. Then, ikot mo lang itong screw para maghigpit siya. So, natapos ko na siya. Connect lahat. So, ganito ang kanyang itsura. Ito mo ilagay yung cellphone mo. Then, ma-adjust yan siya. So, I will try to put some battery para sa flash. Then, I'm gonna show you later, okay? Katulak mo muna. Di ko to. So, as you can see, medyo ngit-ngit na kay hinayan na ako ang ring light kay magamit na taan ning iyahang LED light. So, i-adjust lang ni siya dire. Low, medium, then high. Oh my gosh! Isn't it amazing? Lahayag kayo siya. Libat ko ba yan? This is very effective when you are outside. Since gabiin naman karon, we will try this outside together with the microphone na kay ang ako ang ginagamit lang as of now kay kaning ako ang gipalit na microphone. 100 man yata ni. Hopefully, I'm using the microphone of this. Kanang matanggalan niya ang mga environmental noise. Kanang mga hangin, kanang tingog sa suga, tingog sa TV, and stuff like that. So, gipalong na ko ang ring light, and then, wala po oy suga. The only light that I am using right now is the LED light. Sanyk, isn't it amazing? We'll check now outside kay dito mas ngit-ngit yun, no? So I'm already outside the house. You can see ngit-ngit, diba? Oh, hayag ihapon ko ba yan? Isn't it amazing? So I am here outside the house. Outside the house na jud ni siya, no? So without the Sanyk LED light. So i-on na ko siya. Amazing! Isn't it? So, pwede na akong mag-vlog kahit nangit-ngit ang surroundings. So happy, happy, very, very, very happy with this purchase from Sanyk. So, overall, this product from Sanyk is 100% good buy. It is very useful for me. Akong tripod, as you can see a while ago, kapila to natumba ang akong cellphone. If you don't have a budget yet to purchase vlogging equipment, then you can save first. And besides, nag-purchase ko ani, meaning to say, moabot yun yung pila ka years. Kay na, mas akong cellphone masing kagubaon na kay ni nagsige na nighang no agyapon ko nagpalit unya na siguro ko nagpalit bagong cellphone inigdi na jud ni maon so ing ana ko katipid so probably this one dugay pa jud mailisan mga pila pa jud ka tuig maabot pa siguro 10 years basta kanang alaga ko sa akong mga gamit kay alo dili ba basta-basta makita og kwarta, di ba? You really need to earn from it, work hard for it para makakwarta ka. Thank you very much, Sanyk. You're the best. Ibutang na lang po na ako ang link sa ilang store sa Shopee sa description aning video para kung namoy plano mag-purchase, kung nakaipon na mo, then go ahead, baby. Hopefully, mapansin po ninyo ang kaning microphone. Kung naabay difference between the microphone that I was using a while ago compared to the Sanyk microphone. Punch akong gigamit. Wala na akong gigamit tong rabbit fur. For those of you who haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit that notification bell para ma-notify mo sa mga feature na videos. And then guys, please like, comment, all for my video. Hope that you like it. Guys, please stay safe, okay? And see you sa next video. Bye!